Do you know that people are paying a lot of money to get videos? They are paying a lot for subscriptions to generate their AI videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that for free without paying a dime. So I'm going to show you a free tool you can use to generate your AI storytelling videos or kids videos for free. I'm going to show you how to make your image come to life and talking totally free. So stick around, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this video. Support me and encourage me by subscribing to this channel. I'm already in my ChatGPT and I've already created a story I'm going to use for this video. Now the next thing you're going to do, ChatGPT also has given me prompt for my images. What you are going to do is you copy your prompt from here and you take it to Gemini Nano Banana to create the image for you, and our image is going to be in landscape. Now let's get started. First of all, you copy the prompt. Once you copy the prompt here, let's copy it, then take it to Nano Banana. You tell it to create the image for you in landscape. Click on it. While it's creating this image, let me go and download the previous ones I've already created. You click on the image, then click on this arrow, download. It's already downloaded to my gallery. So now we are going to wait for this other one to download. The image is now ready. What we are going to do now is to download it. Click on download. It will download now. So next thing you are going to do is go to, let's minimize this, on your phone, go to open a new tab and click on type Google Vids. Go ahead and click on this first option. What you will do now is to sign up with your Google account. You click on sign in to Google. Use your email account to sign in. So click on any email. Let me click on any one. You must sign in with your Google account, not phone number. So this is what it's telling me. For it to show on mobile, it only shows properly on laptop. But since I'm using mobile phone to do this, I'm going to change my phone to desktop site. Dashboard. What we are going to do here now is to click on this first option, view 3.1 new. So go ahead and click on it. So this is what you are going to do. Listen very closely. This is what you are going to do. There is an option, you click on this place. It says create from scratch and animate an image. What you are going to click here now to get what you are looking for, you click on animate an image. So now the next thing we are going to do is to click on add image. The image we downloaded, agree. We're going to click on this one. While it's loading, let's go back to ChatGPT and get that prompt. Copy the prompt. So this is this particular prompt for that image. We copy it and we are going back to here. Must be in desktop mode for it to click to show properly. Let me take it back to desktop mode. It's not showing well, so let's change it back. Okay, so click on this first option. Remember I said you should click on this dot, this particular tiny dot by the side. You'll see create from scratch, animate an image. Click on animate an image, then you paste your prompts, then go back, click on add image and add the image. Click on generate. Now it has created the image. The other image refused to come live, so I have to change the image. Let's play it and see how it is. Click on it and preview.
By fire and shadow, I summon the strength of the ancestors. By
insert. So this is how you are going to create them one after the other. So each image can be 8 to 6 seconds. Once you are done with one prompt, you go to the other one and create another one. That is how it's going to pile up. I'm sorry that this thing is not viewing properly, and I think I'm still going to make another video about this with my laptop so that you can see the view properly and see how I'm going to arrange them to make them a big video. So support me by subscribing to this channel and share it, like it as well. So if you want the prompt, I have it. It's for free. I'm going to give it to you for free. Just comment prompt and I will send it to you. You can as well customize it to your own taste. Thank you.